children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Revision assignment key of 10th class dated on 11th July 2020. The topic is reported speech. Reported speech or direct and indirect speech. Okay, see here 10 sentences are given. You have to change them into indirect speech. First one, the teacher says the monkey is clever animal. We know very well, while changing from direct into indirect speech, we have to remember certain rules. First one, when reporting verb is in present tense in direct speech, right, there will be no change in indirect speech. For example, generally present tense, simple present tense of direct speech becomes simple past tense, means all present tenses are changed to their corresponding past tenses when reporting verb is in past tense. Okay, but here reporting verb is in present tense, says present tense. Okay, so there will be no change in indirect speech. The answer for this one is the teacher says that. So in the place of comma we should write that, the conjunction that, when the sentence within inverted commas is assertive sentence. Okay, so this is assertive sentence, so in the place of this comma we should write that conjunction, and in indirect speech we should remove inverted commas. The teacher says that the monkey is clever. The monkey is clever animal. As it is, no change, because the reporting verb is in present tense. Okay, when reporting verb is in present tense, there will be no change in the tense in indirect speech. Present tense becomes present tense. B, my father says. This is also present tense. Reporting verb is in present tense. My father says everybody can lead a happy life. The answer for this one is my father says that. My father says that everybody can lead a happy life. No change in tense. Can becomes can, because reporting verb is in present tense. My father says that everybody can lead a happy life. C, Kesav says it is important to save petrol. This is also present tense. Reporting verb is in present tense, so there will be no change in indirect speech. The answer for this one is Kesav says that it is becomes is. It is important to save petrol. Why is became is? Reporting verb is in present tense. If it is in past tense, is becomes was. Now, fourth one, the driver said the railway bridge has collapsed. Children, see here, has collapsed. What tense it is? Present perfect tense. But here said reporting verb is in past tense. When reporting verb is in past tense, we should change this present perfect tense into past perfect tense. Now the answer is the driver said that the railway bridge has becomes what? Had collapsed. Had collapsed. The driver said that the railway bridge had collapsed. Fifth one, the teacher said the children are making too much noise. See children, so said, this is also in simple past tense. When it is in simple past tense, right, here the tense is changed into their corresponding past tenses. The children are making too much noise, or making, what tense it is? Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense of direct speech becomes past continuous in indirect speech. Now the answer for this one is, the teacher said that the children are becomes what here? Were, past tense, were making too much noise. The teacher said that the children were making too much noise. Next one. Next, Anu said Ashok lives quite close to the school. Anu said Ashok lives quite close to the school. See here, reporting verb is in past tense, right? So here tense will change. Then when we change that one into indirect speech, Anu said that Ashok lives becomes lived, or lives also correct, but according to rules present tense becomes past tense because reporting verb is in past tense. Ashok lived quite close to the school. Full stop. Anu said that Ashok lived quite close to the school. Present tense became past tense. Next one, the doctor said the patient recovered very soon. What tense it is? The patient recovered very soon. Simple past tense. Simple past tense of direct speech becomes past perfect tense because here reporting verb is in past tense. Now the answer for this one is, the doctor said that the patient recovered becomes had recovered very soon. The doctor said that the patient had recovered very soon. Next one, the porter said the train had already arrived. So said past tense. So reporting verb is in past tense, right? Then the train had already arrived. So this is in past perfect tense. Past perfect tense of direct speech becomes past perfect tense. Now the answer for this one is, the porter said that the train had already arrived. The train had already arrived. Next, Surjit said some tourists may visit the lake also. So said, what about said? Past tense. Surjit said that some tourists may becomes might. Why? Reporting verb is in past tense. So may becomes might. Might visit lake also. Right, children? Now last one. The poet said like this, I have written a new poem. So actually this is poet's dialogue. So let us keep said. Okay, the poet said that I becomes means the poet. He have becomes had. He had written a new poem. The poet said that he had written a new poem. So like this, children, by following rules, we can change sentences from direct speech into indirect speech. Thank you. All the best.